Skysense protects crops with intelligence from drone images. This is a demo about how Skysense is used for hemp crops to find male plants from drone images to prevent unwanted pollination. This is the Skysense dashboard. From the upload page, the user can take all the images from a drone flight. These drone flights use autopilot drones that fly automatically above the field, taking photos of every single plant. Now this upload and processing is done in real time. The Skysense app can stitch together images to make a map of the current state of the field. But more importantly, we can apply AI analysis to find an object of interest. In this case, we're going to find male plants for risk mitigation. This is the AI plant analysis step. Now we need to fly the drones at a low enough height so that the photos have high resolution, so that even a human can find male or female plants from these photos. And anything a human can do with those photos, our AI can be trained to do the same thing. So now we have map pins of where all the photos were taken, and we can focus on just the males and females. This is the location of all the males and females. This is just the male plants. Now let's verify what the AI actually saw. This is female and this is male. Correctly identified. I'm showing a number of examples here so that you can see we achieved human level accuracy for this problem. Other objects and plants that are not hemp were not actually identified by the AI. Even difficult plants are correctly classified. So these map locations are also compatible with Google Maps, so that the farm laborers working in the field to pull out the males can simply walk right up to the male plants and pull them out. More importantly, the supervisors can verify the completeness of the work for faster and more complete risk mitigation, and to do so with a smaller team. Skysense can be used for other crops and other real-world businesses where you need to find problems and ultimately have the map location integrated into your operations for faster solution to those problems before the damage is done. Thank you for listening, and please visit us at skysense.jp.